Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Now click on App Notifications. Click on Sort By at the top and pick the best option for you. In my case, number of notifications. Then click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Recorder. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!